60 minutes.
It's the train from my Apple.
Lift up for those on boarding welcome to AlpenFury. Quickly take your 6 minute pass and up your trips. More rides! Thank you, basically 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, staying clear. Blue train, you're all clear and out of here. Hey guys, look, it's a bird. No, it's a plane. No, it's you on the AlpenFury train. Enjoy your ride.
All right, first ride at Wonderland. Oh my God, I've heard so much about this ride. This is gonna be insane. Whoa! Whoa! Let's go! Oh my God! Whoa! This is insane! Yeah! Whoa! 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 Oh! It's sustained! It's sustained! Whoa! Oh my God! All right! That was great.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Eyes get watery.
Got my adrenaline pumping all day, I'll say that.
Clear. Orange train, clear and out of here. 115 down the track. Hold on tight and keep your head back. Enjoy your ride. Welcome back. Blue train, please remain seated to regular to a fully complete stop. Once fully stopped, let the plane manager push your plane seat toward the left. Take it to right and enjoy the rest of your day. Okay, we'll land right on. Push down.